Me now want you share nothing with me again. Go share it with Donna. Why the art of fucking goal. People like Uno bet Donna go and so see it now. She reached to a different level. A long time she carry her gunman them pan people. I open a blood clot. Watch the live and see her gunman she sent for the girl and her baby father last night. Fi kill them. The girl have to come apologize and she did not do Donna nothing. Uno a idiot. Uno a idiot. Now share nothing to me. You can't block me. Me used to rate you. But me no want you share nothing to me. I truth me I tell you. You truth me I tell you. You think Donna about Donna have heart of gold? Donna is a wicked. Donna know what she do is a ring with the whole of Uno. Or me no know if you know. It's a ring. I go round. It's a ring when Donna video the people them a Mountain View and show no the money. After them come off a life, them have to give the dads it. Yeah? Them have to give the dads Shanty and the whole of them, the donors them attack. Because enough of them reach out to me. It's because they say, them no want come talk for people, for the recipe and them or Mountain View have to run. We only notice that mostly Mountain View than a money stay in where the poor people them can't talk. What if Julia pregnant? Why is she pregnant? She not live her life. Donna no meet her with her man. Donna meet her with her man, and when you have man at that happen. Anything can happen. Donna is a wicked hour. When you donate to people, you control people's life. When she beg for the people them and the donors them gay the money, she control them life. She want tell them when to fuck. She want tell them when to sleep, when to bed, when to eat. When she got Julia Yard a war for all board for. Look how much money the whole of now collect for her. Look how much money everywhere me turn. I pay a GoFundMe for Donna and the pitney them. When all of them the money they are going to do, why should not use them up buy board and buy material and go pay a workman for do the work then? Which part of that a art of a goal? You see, that's why crime can't tap a Jamaica because of Uno licky and love sweets. That's why crime cannot stop. I will never watch you again because I lose off of you. Me don't bring you and say yes. You want straight youth and whatever. Don't send me nothing. Do not send nothing to my phone again. Not send me nothing. Yes, you can go share the voice note. I care a fuck. Me not care a fuck. You can go share it. Yeah, you can go share it. And that's why crime stays so. Because you see what Donna do with the gunman them up there. But you not come up about art of a fucking goal. We start the art of a goal there. Art of a goal to take the people their money and mind the gunman them a Mountain View. So poor Julia and her baby father could have lose her life last night. And I bet you none of you not go talk about it. You stink like shit. Now share me nothing.
Alright, so I'm going to use about the same language where you use with me. Since you say you don't care a fuck. First of all, why the fuck you in my inbox and come at me? If you have a problem with Miss Donna, you don't go to Miss Donna. Why you message me? I have my own personal fucking opinion, so don't message my phone telling me about Miss Donna. Alright? If I said what I said, showing what I show on my channel, woman, then that is my opinion. Simple. So don't come in on my fucking inbox and tell me about say what Miss Donna do and what Miss... You love watch out people life too much. And that's no problem. You hear how you sound heated and angry about somebody else's life. Stay out of my inbox, woman. It is that simple. If you have a gripe for pick with Miss Donna, you go to she. What the fuck you message me for, woman? And that's no problem. You sit down a year yard and worry about somebody else's problem. Woman, yeah, hear me? Just don't message about my phone, yeah? And share this voice note wherever you want. So the rest of you who feel like something want come at me and talk about what me say, when me share something, I don't care. You understand? You love watch people business too much and put it on your head and worry on yourself. And you there over where you there stress out your blood clot idiot self. Don't message about my phone, man. You tell me care if you rate me or you don't rate me, woman. I don't even know you. Yo, woman, you hear me? Just do a message about the number, yeah?
Me not fi watch out nobody life. Me comfortable at 3 hours me have. Me comfortable so me not fi watch out nobody life. Me have one when me go to Jamaica in my door with my name and my title. Me can send it to you. One in America and one in Florida. Me not for watch out nobody life. Only is not about a scam of the whole of uno. And that's why on the back her. That's why on the back her, you can't tell this big hag when she wrong. You can't tell her. Eh? When she help people, she expects to control them life. I don't agree with it. Yes, she for control them life because her art is of gold. Art is wish of gold. Eh? When you have gunmen antagonize people, all the police and the prime minister, the whole of them out there wicked. Because they know what Donna do. The whole of them know. The whole of them know. The whole of uno, I should say no. The whole of uno know, but guess what? Are the views you want. You want Donna views them, so you have to depend on Donna's side. You can't chat nothing bad about Donna because you want the views. It feed you. You want the views, because it have to feed you. Me don't want the views. Me talk my mind. That's what me want. She's too wicked. Me talk my mind. Because me not Facebook queen. So me don't want no views. Me not lose nothing. But me sound angry at people life. What Donna have to me angry about? Come back with reason. Donna live on a capture land where her baby father get a spot and she captured the poor uncle can't talk because of the same thing, a gunman, a fireman. Right? What Donna have? What Donna have for me angry at Donna life? Me can't angry at Donna life. Me can't send my life come show you. Me I send my blood clot life come show you. How comfortable. Me can't angry at Donna life. Me angry at her wickedness. Our wicked ways. Me angry about how no I condole it. Woman out with gold. Woman because of what? Because of Facebook views? Eh? And that's why the crime cannot stop because people like blood clot uno get lost. Hey, look up Batty boy. Me never message your number, you know. And you always share things with me. Me never message your number. Me never message your number. I see me see you share something with me, I tell you, don't share nothing with me. Block me. Don't share nothing with me. I don't want to share nothing with me. The whole of you a scammer. Me don't want to share nothing with me. You are wicked. When you help people, you expect to control them life. Eh? I saw help go. Eh? When you help people, you take them life. Then suppose God this say like uno are wicked. You come talk about me a stress out. Me not stress out and comfortable. Me unstoppable. Me very comfortable. Me not stress out. Me just say don't share anything with me because I say your view and my view is two different view. Share it with the woman where art is goal. Don't share nothing with me. Thank you. You can block me.
And my final word to you is this. It's plain and simple. You stress the fuck out over there I worry about Miss Donna life. Plain and simple. I don't care about what you have, what Miss Donna have, when nobody have. Woman, you don't know fuck about me. Yeah? Don't forget that. You don't know me from a tin of blood clot paint. So how the fuck you feel come tell me about how me survive after? Woman, let me tell you something, yeah? This be your last message to my number, yeah? And in order for me send anything to you, you would have to first message my number. Big idiot, dunce woman. Cause me don't know you fi send you nothing. Jackass, dummy. We sit down over there worry about somebody else's life. Alright? Me not have the time for run out with you. Me don't talk to you. Bye. Idiot.